Woohoo! Hey guys, after a long time, time to start on the big again. Got a little puppy, Tinsel. Hey, she's a cutie. But yeah, I gotta freaking clean all this off, and then I'm gonna pull her in. Okay, decently got her cleaned off. Good enough, I think. Let's see if we can start her up. She's dead. Okay, so we're gonna use the new beautiful GXP to jumpstart this POS. So I'm gonna clean off this and jump them. Okay, we got her going, finally. Woohoo! Oh shit. Alright. I'm done. Before I freaking go into a ditch or something. All the freaking snow came in through my vents. It's frosty in here. So I got the rest of my body filler spots all sanded down. Finally. I was procrastinating so bad. But finally those are done. Now I am going to be plastic welding this because it's starting to crack just a little bit again. And then I think we'll be ready for primer. I got one of these plastic welding guns and just these little tips that heat up. And I'm just gonna go probably just down and then to the bottom there too. I'll start here. Going in a decent amount, so make sure it stays in there. I'm gonna clip these off real quick. Not trying to burn through either. Just enough so it goes in to the plastic. I'm gonna do one up here. Now I'm gonna do a few down here. Finally got all of them done. Now I'm gonna clip all of them off. We grinded it all off, and now we have this iron thing. I'm gonna see, James had the idea to just melt this wire mesh that came with it, into it. I mean, I'd imagine it'd hold pretty good, but we'll see. We're gonna do it on the top there, and then probably here, not worry about the bottom, but we'll see. trying to hold it in there so it don't come back up. But yeah, that worked. And do it to this side. It's a little small, but I think it'll work there. And I decided that I am gonna do the bottom just to like make sure that it's good. Got it all in there for the most part. I'll probably put some fiberglass filler over it just to make so it don't look so rough, but I'm done for the night and I'll see you guys tomorrow. It's the next day and we're back at it. Now to do the bottom. I got a little strip cut out to fit on there, so I'm gonna do that. Alright, so she's all plastic welded in there, and now I'm gonna sand this down with the DA 80 grit, and then we're gonna fill it. Now I got 400 and I'm gonna sand right here. So I decided that I'm just gonna use regular body filler. I think that should be good. Got her all spreaded. I didn't do the bottom because I'm not really gonna be looking at the bottom, but yep. Gonna knock it down just a little bit. I'm gonna get this all block sanded with the 80 grit, and then we'll be ready to mask this off. Had to add some more filler, and that should be our last coat of it. I ended up filling those up there and that little dent over there, and just a little bit over here. I'm just gonna get these parts sanded down with 400 grit. scratched up, so the primer sticks.
Back in the drawer.
Just realized that I have some clear coat that's bubbling here, so I'm gonna sand it with some 180 and see if I can break through and then get that. Yeah.
Doesn't even matter if you must do the color too in the primer.
Okay, got those all out. They came out pretty good with the 180. So now I'm gonna continue sanding with the 400. Got this all done and sanded. Now I'm gonna scratch these up real quick just with a Scotch pad. All sanded. Got all the spots sanded. These. Now she's ready for primer for the next video.